the fact that she's out there having sex with all of the DJ enemy them, and she carry man in there. Jesus!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. Today we will talk about Vybz Kartel and him fiance and Shawty and things that happened in the past. An old video has resurfaced with Lisa Hyper talking about the reason why Shawty and Kartel break up. Now, I didn't know the length of disgrace it has gone to. Me think say she just cheat on him or she just have man out the road. But apparently, Lisa Hyper has all the details. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. Stay tuned.
And she asked for it because there are among other things that she's out there doing that I know of. Plus, then she'll come and disrespect you. That no, it not add up.
So remember, I said this is a mix-up show,
Mm-hmm.
So you can tell us any extra thing like what she do?
Well, me and her know what she do. The fact that she's out there having sex with all of the DJ enemy them, and and behave like say she a goody two shoe and she a this perfect baby mother, worst baby mother. I me not care if him want vex.
A time, yeah, the worst, babe. Yeah, Shawty. So the run out of house was true then.
Trust me.
Shot to flee.
Trust me, cause me ear say she carry man in there.
Jesus! Jesus! In a theme house?
The one good house where him take him money and bill. Me all hear say she take him money and mine man too.
Jesus Christ.
So now me understand why the other day when she was live in the pink outfit and she say them a talk about some things and then talk about how me raise me three pitney them good. So that means she's not denying what happened then. But anyway, Khago, which shouldn't surprise me because I must say, he said Kartel for right in jail. Him go live on a defense Shawty and say we feel her alone, so I want to listen to what he had to say.
Shawty, I tell you, mama, you deserve a pot of gold. Remember, say, you have 3 sons. Can't rub out. And listen to me. That man come from prison and I look on him 3 sons. I see it this morning. When I look on him big son and I say, whoa. 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 Tony and Palmer. How me so blessed? How me alone so blessed? Me have one who can take me out of jail. And me have one who keep me picking them out of jail. Go suck on yourself, bumbuckler. Listen to me. The man I watching big son and jive. You can hear it in his voice. He must say, whoa. When me do, make me have one we can take me out of jail and one we keep me picking them out of bumbuckler. Boy, listen to me. Oh no, spread red carpet. It's a red carpet for Shawty. Red carpet for Shawty. I mean, you not hear me ever talk this again. Because, listen, me get my vision say, yo, leave people business alone. Say, red carpet for Shawty.
Fresh
The
drop.
difference with Shawty, 15 years. And her son, them don't have a stepdaddy. Red carpet for Shawty. Come here. Red carpet and lobster tail. Red carpet and lobster tail, Shawty. Then if you write a book, boy, you girl. Then if you write a book, boy, you. Listen, you is the only female we deserve to make just one mistake. One mistake. One Shawty. One mistake. Listen, stop defending yourself. Stop defending yourself. Just like Christ says, show me the man without a sin cast the first stone. Some girl whisper a cast pussy here and a cast breast and a cast pussy tongue by your Shawty. Then can't water come give you. Listen, as their husband gonna walk, Then jumpy fence like a mongrel dog go fuck. Empty barrel make him most nice. Shawty, where you do care about? He care about.
Yeah, people, that's Sean Storm, you know, showing his talent playing the keyboard for his mom, and I thought that was so sweet. But anyways, speaking of Sean Storm, you remember the video where Fat Pum Pum Goldie did show on TikTok says she wants Sean Storm.
But my question is, what happened to Sean Storm? Him out of prison? Cafe out of prison, you know. Somebody please go and tell Sean Storm say Fat Pum Pum Goldie want boomer. Boy, what a word of use. Me want rotate pan the no. Tell him say I want spin pan him twiddle bop. And if I not twiddle bop, big bop. But just have a thing for Sean Storm. I say, no, I am of age. Me is a woman. I want a piece of Sean Storm. So, if him out of prison for true, somebody need to go deliver this video to him. Tell him say me look pretty. Me homeless right now, but me I go pretty up myself, and me can go about. Me can go all night. Can go all night. We can go in idea. You just have to give me breaks to drink water. So, if you can send this to Sean Storm.
So after time fans them send him the video of Goldie. So she want to link up in family. Respond and take a listen.
Yo, you hear me? TikTok. You are going here now. There in Independence. Clean. You see me? Oh, I'm pretty strips. But here are going here now. All I know I send me a video with a girl named Goldie. Or Fat Pum Pum Goldie. You see, if you don't want me to see her like son, go up my No Blood video now. And bring it to 100k view right now. I'm going to share it up to 100k view. I'm a wire Goldie phone. I'm not care what her name, Goldie Title or Goldie Fat Pum Pum. You know the Siva got to her. Sivan, you know, move. You know that. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. There, fully Gaza.
Do you think they're going to link up with you, or is just a strategy? You know, marketing to get people for listening song. It's not a bad idea. Plus, Goldie look like she's really interested for you. Anyway, gang, where the Macadam did send a message to Kartel, say, you know, if you take care of your health, and it looked like he finally listened for you. So, take a look at this video that he sent out regarding his current health status.
Yeah, people. Just finished my morning workout, you know. Good half hour and thing, you know. Can't too overdo it yet. If you take it in stride. You know, we say fitness and family, though. Yeah, man, God is the greatest.
Yeah, man, so I boss out, up and about, and taking health serious and I exercise and I do the right thing. That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. And I'll see you next time.